kanti olokhuzeni osecurity la abebhosi bakuba ngisandla bana nje asomsindo omncane yewezide kanti ngizothiwa izolo futhi obunye basuthu yena same security wahluphana nobutho uhluphane lombewu
kakhulu mdala hluphayo lombe phambi kwami hayi kakhulu like into ayenzileyo leyana it was unnecessary because imatch ibisiphelile therefore we know that uthi abafana bayahamba efensini bebingelela abantu then abafana bethu abanye babengaholi
akhona abanye abaholi
abangaholi
kuhle
ama supporters sometimes vele babe ama-100 wathatha umfana mayiphese efensini lapha yaphuma maybe labo $100 umbe labo $40 so yena ufika waxavula umbeba somsindo omncane mdala ngobona sungenela nama-supporters lapha na uyenza into unprofessional
kuwe kayizanga same story
mina phela ndisafica ukukhiwe lapha sengibuza ukuthi ukukhiyelwe ndakuthola lapha ndifuza ngalihlale la liyathethisa ama-players mina ndithethisa i-player which player ndithethisa because ama-player bonke laba ngabafana bami ndidlala labo ngifuna ngixoxa lawo ngase ngihamba ngisiyacela phela lokuzeni wa-PSL ukuthi besivulele sebesivulela sothiwa sithethisa ama-players later on sokuthiwa khona hayi uyacelebrate lo nxa i-chicken ngase bathi i-chicken idlale kangaki le boss ihlohle kangaki ukuthi ngiyacelebrate yabona yonke into yakho nibe nga-8 up but later on ngase ngisizwa sokuthiwa khona hayi inkinga soyendaba yonke le inkinga ngokuthi njani mina ngisupport i-chicken
alright
so nxa ngisupport i-chicken bayacabanga into enxe mina lana le technical team ngale sile connection bangakwazi ukuthi benike something andimba bathebana abesabimba senzohaza ngapha lapho kudlala okudlula khona ama-players kanti mina vele le mba vele angizwanani la mbambi le mba yakho
chemical
engineer
what's the chemical engineer
nambambi vele le chicken yakho nayisebenzisa imba yakho nengiyaziyo engangayibona besebenzisa abakaze besebenzisa imba
engikhanye umsindo nki
so indaba ekhona
seyathi kanti ubutho kanti awufa hayi butho chana undole senyakucha seqazela ukuthi nabayelo kuzini
ngabona uTope engena ngesikhaleni
lapha ngakwani khona wakwana ndoda
Taneo lapha ebamba le media
onguluka ispace ongaka so wakwana umembe ezongidla
wangena uTope zero wafika lapha wafika abakhuluma baze bakhafulela
but I think uMasudu some did probe those guys need to be professional
they need to be kumele betrainwe
they need to be trained
abanye nxe bayatrainwa but I think nje abatshela ukuthi amandla bagcinela nga cause yena ustressa ipoint yakabe stressa ukuthi ngisemsebenzini but lami ngihambuya ku media box ngizokhava igame ngisemsebenzini so nxa usongiyalisa uhlala ku media box ufuna ngikhava igame ngimenga
and at the same time usesibhanu njalo and you cannot impress your employees at the expense of tarnishing the image of the company because ungayenza njalo 200 uchaya umuntu lwana mbufuku njaya ngempama lapha nesikhona siku media box kuvele sama cameras that on nxa usunjayile susiyabhana ebhoreni into ethandayo kakhulu over nothing team because one thing we have to understand that Highlanders was there before we were there and is there while we were there and it's going to be there when sisingasekho so asingabanga into esizayichiya iHighlanders sozife thina ethe siyakufa izasaliloku ikhona bano chicken bengafa bebesabusizibefe thina singafa kusale kukhona so asifuzanga sibanga into siyayichi khona asithandane ni ibhora siyalithola siyalifica silichi
one love gents
one love football is football
plus oTopi ababele indaba ayiphele because sikhuluma ngento ukuthi iyenzakale last week mina izolo ntemfika kodwa lesobo umjida wakho lwane ngabuya futhi uzaba professional namhla but andivele kwakhulunywa midweek kwakhuzana
kwaphela
singabantu abadala vele izistories ebhoreni ndala izistories zokuthi sometimes kuyabe ku in the heat of the moment singaqeda ushada nasiphume eground sokuphelile
done
obviously
sasa ngahla even sihlangana phandle kweground vele sokuphelile songenye into
I think usuthathe enye into kanye ukukhuluma ngokukhuzana quite unfortunate. Hey, umnyaka lo unzima madoda lo.
apply
Umnyaka lo unzima. Izolo mbone ngingakakhulumi ngabasebedlulile emhlabeni, but abantu we know people we talk ema-groupini. Ngibone kucirculate enye ivideo omunye uTopi egada ibhasikili esemoteni
eliphezulu kwemoto.
ephezu kwemoto. Gents, those things are dangerous. Ukhuluma into yokukhuzana, abantu asikhuzaneni. Yizo izinto which leads to accidents. Umuntu singamhlekelela skide ngemoto watwathe chova ibhasikili phezu kwemoto. Those things are dangerous. Okunye yes we understand ukuthi abanye abantu maybe nxa iwin nxa wayigcina udala, or abanye abantu win bayithabela ngendlela ezithile ezijiyeneyo, but singayela ukumkhuza umuntu lwana ngumuntu esiyamluza next.
Like I said ukuthi khona people have got ama-problems of unga-understand ukuthi khona into le siyificile sayithola sizayichiya. Iwin ayiqalanga namuhla, iwin ayipheli namuhla, iwin izohlala ikhona, sisiyitholile saphila kiyo sizayichiza bilokhu ikhona iwin. So when we celebrate, remember that the same thing ekhumbula I think in 2017, when Ulokuzeni, former president, stepped down, people celebrated and they lost their lives. But in our continue pillars of so that's the same thing. Tina Sasala Lucas Chabuli Posi winner, Gumbe chicken in winner, when Umbi Dynamo si winner, Scotland be winner, when Unga Seko. Because of it's just a moment of Utabela was control. You have to know that there's tomorrow I need to celebrate again. Let me die when Iskatis Kankulunku says figure, like when things apply. That's where the problem is now.
Sad news, gents. I understand the good board member or Islander, and the Islanders things are I'll call sharp. It's funeral after funeral, and the awulokana yebo indlela yethu sonke, but nxa ungenzakala ngendlela eso yama 100 years celebration day isuke ibe nzima kakhulu, because I remember last week bekukhulunywa ngo Mrs Zulu. Wanasho ukuthi Mrs Zulu ushonile, abangamaziwa I think unkosikazi ka Cosmas Thando Zulu. Then during the course of this week wathola lo board member ola eduze kanethi
Mamphongo scroller usakhuluma ngicheck
board member Islanders, so I think kube nguye senior board member osithile
ade sithi patron
senior patron
check
osithile during the course of the week. Then izolo as I was saying, ama supporters athe vele eBoren asikwazi ukwenza ke leni.
Kabachaya ithipha emuva.
Jimmy S Ncube
uJimmy S Ncube nguye
nguyo oshiye midweek 21 August
uyini senior board
bathi ngobhale senior patron,
yes, senior patron,
then also board member ku-board
bekhona yes. Usithile because ngezwa stadium announce idelana nge-Wednesday eBeef bamnika i-minute of silence, then ivika ikapheli Sunday izolo. Sad news again, six fans as the Islanders lost their lives coming from igame Lokuzeni rentals ezolo iwinile rentals.
Okunye ngizothiwa ngama-family members.
ngizothiwa bekuyifamily ekade kutholele extra bangani family ade behamba
Be6
Like kwathiwa kunanzelela ku-Highlanders umnyaka lo 100 years lokhu iqalile manje. Islanders isilahlekelwe ngabantu abangafika 40.
esibazi
esizwe ngabo
Kusenzakala from talk ngaphi labana esigodini wathi Islanders
lebi sembalabala
isilahlekelwe kakhulu. Like we don't know what is happening. Kuyini asikwazi.
yebo yiko kusho ukuthi
kuyini okumele kulungisiswe. Sometimes izinto we can ignore it, but
yeah, we're spiritual beings.
We are spiritual beings, but kule into omele ilungisiswe. We don't know what is happening while Islanders because it's not easy ukuthi liphumule nge-Wednesday, Thursday yimfa, liphumule Friday, Saturday yimfa.
Yes, mostly khonapho njengoba kwakhuluma futhi oqaliseni angisho lapha nokuthi khona kulesidingeko sokuthi sikhuzaneni nxa singabantu. Ngoba if you realize that most of the dates akhulunywa nguMasuthu, most of them asemgwaqweni, the few nga natural, which means that most of the times it cannot be always mechanically problem to cause an accident, which means there's a human error here somewhere in the speed.
ukuthi kwenzakala imfa but sorry ukubamba kwenzakala imfa we tend to ignore ezinye izinto. Anti wona sesikhuluma ngoshumi lo disho ibhasikili ephezulu kwemoto engekela ukukhuzwa wenza same thing. Kungenzeka i-accident if abantu asebeyisaba ukukhuluma umuntu but utopilo be wrong uchovelana ibhasikili phezulu kwemoto. You understand? So I told you kwesikhathi umuntu yakwazi udrive edakiwe celebrate edakiwe. We've seen it abantu behle ngoba akwenzaka ingozi abantu bengamkhuzi.
Ngoba i-peak lena nithe ngiyibona nti ithipa ibingani is on the side of the road. Kuba ibingani imile angikwazi because I just saw a picture. I'm just interpreting what I saw. Then ikhombi yafika yachaya iwonda futhi yachaya ngemva kwekhombi. So ukuthi ubekwazi ukuthi khona the person was driving under the influence of alcohol or not, because ebusuku most of the times ama-lights ayaphambanisa nxa unathila nathi but ngizobe sisho njalo. So khona kana ngokunye kwezinto okufuze sikunanzelele ukuthi yes, as much as speed thrills, it also kills. So we need to always to try and be cautious when you're in the road. And because most of the times the problem is with drivers is that they think ukuthi driving is driving my car alone. When you are driving, you drive a car which is ahead of you and the car which is behind you. So ungabakwanisa ukudrive ngendlela enjalo angisho ukuthi awuyenzi ingozi, but you minimize the chances of ukwenza ingozi because you are now able ukuthi khona you know ukuthi imoto emva kwakho le distance enganani, you know ukuthi imoto ephambi kwakho le distance enganani and how to react. So khona kana izinto esizifunda kubo VIT kubo traffic safety council ufuza ngasinjani ignore when you're in the roads, because this life is so precious and fragile. Imoto eyenze accident namhlanje siya kungcwaba kusasa imoto umuntu esahle ivuse ipanel beat continue isebenze emgwaqweni when impilo yakho ayisa continue singeyamagenga ngale. So we have to understand that ukuthi khona we only live once. No, we only have one chance while least we're alive. Once we die, there's no resuscitation. But imoto once it dies, it can be resuscitated. So let's be careful on the roads.
But mina isixwayiso sami manje singokuthi mina most of abantu even ababukele bakwazi masikhambe eboreni asihambe lo drive odakwayo. Thina of course ayenza izitayila zethu ngabantu but we make sure ukuthi udriver wethu akanathi. Cause whatever that I'm doing mangi drunk or ma umuntu drunk, you blame it ube under influence of alcohol. So siyafisa ukuthi lonke mase liphuma libe kwazi udriver wenu kanathanga. Udriver kanathanga.
Ukhuluma into ipoint.
So as long as ukwazi ukuthi udriver wami unathile, hayi you are not safe. Guys, let us sibone ukuthi udriver bethu thina especially in Highlander supporters, mina lapha engihamba khona angisho ukuthi lindandele ukuthi hayi sawazi imoto ngeke lamasotho, but mina lapha engihamba khona always udriver wami kanathi.
Yeah, kubuhlungu James. Yeah,
it's very painful. It's
very painful. Anyway, guys, welcome to Step 3 TV. This is your number one soccer podcast in the land. This is a Pass and Move podcast, proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. Speaking about Lucky Bets, gents, the competition is still running. Akona mabizo. So announce about there's so many things happening around the Lucky Bets, but one thing that I loved, I want us to speak about the trophy. The Lucky Bets Man of the Match trophy. That thing is a thing of beauty. We've seen it. Kumalika tops. It's now happening in our own
country.
Premier Soccer League.
Yakwazi ukuthi ngiyakhumbula ngisikhuluma ngisithi khona kuthi ngangikhuluma loganethi ngaso ngisithi khona at least i-trophy le ingcono nxa usungasadlala ibhola usithi mntanami lami ngangadlala ibhola ngaba ngoman of the match egamini yayilanders le chickenini kumbe egamini esiritten than ukuthi khona ngangaba man of the match ngaphiwa $200 ngayidla. Yabo. So $200 is a motivational booster, of course. It's nice, it's a good, but ayila lokhu zenini, ayila record, ayila legacy, ayila mbali yokuthi ngenze lokhana. So but lokhana it shows, it's a proof. Like a picture which we take, it's a proof of that no, I've got this this is the thing which I did, the accolade which I had. Lawo nxa ufaka la ku cabinet, trophy cabinet yakho la lapha lawo usiba lesifuba. Usishaya isifuba. So I think something
But
which is
looking at it, Garnet, Dina, I think you've held it the most, Lobut. Uyibambile nje, uyicheckile.
Mdala lana into ongaba proud ngayo because alright mina nxa ngibambile into leyana mdala face cause nxa uyikhangele lihlo nje izwe kuphonga uconcluder usibambile even weight uyabona ukuthi aso into eyenzwe okuphonga ukuthi mana siyenze player lihambele into eyenzwe kwafaka some thought into it ukuthi no la player nxa silinika kumele libone ukuthi into lesiyenze sicabanga ukuthi hayi iplayer nxa win man of the match besides the 200 also they have something to show for it because the 200 you can just simply uhambe badali rent or uhambe ushare lamajita or something, but that trophy la uyakwanisa ukuyigcina sinenhliziyo.
And what this is information efike endlebeni zami. Bona labantu abanye abawinayo ama 200 abangatholanga ama trophies. Ambazathola ama trophy. Mdala yazi into nxa uzibonela khatshana usibonela eduze.
Kuyathabisa.
Yazi holding that thing is on that umenza uzayifaka obviously lapha abantu beyibone or even abanye ama players abasebe bayithola lapha bayibone. Mdala ezubutho said into lena ungayifaka e-display nani even usungasadlali or even udlala.
After a game izolo eChickenini when Tulani won it, we won the celebrate.
Ama celebration.
They celebrate about 20. Yabona iless tunes than celebrate 2200.
You understand?
Iless tunes because it shows this is a celebration. So even nxa ungela ezwena kula mali most of the times abayikhutshelwa ngale but khutshelwa but thina manje ngapha ku Lucky Bets sithi imbongo siphinde sithi trophy. Something else that's thumbs up. I said
thumbs up to Lucky Bets. Like yabona into ye trophy nje. Njengoba yasho nje 200 nje is nothing. Compared to i-trophy. I-trophy nje into ukuthi usungayibika lapha. Ube ngukhokho kuthiwa ngukhokho labo khokho.
Lokho ikhona.
Ilokho ikhona abazukulu lokho besithi but izothiwa ukhokho wethu wayedlala ibhola. Wawina into enjani. So kuyabe inspire so thumbs up to Lucky Bets. And then into ye-trophy nje asithi ukuthi i-200 beyekele but hayi 200 la iya motivate but i-trophy isho something.
Because besikubona kubo EPL.
Kubo EPL.
Yabonga kuzwiseke ngani ukukhatshana.
Nxa usibona ama pictures sokona Bruno Fernandes trophy cabinet ufike kula women of the match so khonokana la kuyachaza but ejike mbani ungayigcina i200 lambe nganika friends ngilabule
Tuphini phela beqedile.
Ezibaphe kutholwe izikwelede nje 200.
Izolo lamajita bezovela lokho besithi 10 nje kanti 10
yabo but i-trophy ngiyakho ukwanjana selingathi ituphini selingahleli wose ngamajensi phela but i-trophy uhamba la edeni even your family is proud of.
Uyabona mbona uMalvin bemqhubela izola ngacabanga ukuthi 200 yawo 200 uyathola ukuthi since to i-team ingaholisi uyathuthi Malvin ngobalile 10 omunye le 20 omunye lo lawe district
imali
nansi yakho ngoba it's easy nje just to
umele babe celebrate la empha
but i-trophy nje we distribute yabo so Malvin usele elento ezamlasta for ezekufa engaze efe but abazulu izizukulwane yabelo ikhangela.
And the good thing about Lucky Bets and Lucky Bets does not only reward ama players only, even the fans. Ikubona kule promotion that it is just to sign in with luckybets.co.zw and log on, create an account, play, deposit $5 and you win yourself a replica like mine. That thing angigqoke siyelo namhla ngesinye sakhona sikhona futhi esinye siblu azinhle. So Lucky Bets is there for you.
Speaking about the competition, we've got
winners.
We've got let me announce them ndabo lapha eduze bembafake eduze so that people know ukuthi that competition is still running. Ama jerseys yanika silo Anele Sitsha sibe lo I think they will come through. Guys, if you're watching, we know Uthile Abukela. We'll still contact you, by the way. Libe lizozithathela ama replica awe chicken in. Anele Sija, sibe lo Brighton Pepe. Laba I think ifamily lo langelihle Sija. Ba-create ama-accounts abo, basend ama-screenshot abo, ama-replicas chicken, they are coming away, guys. We'll still contact you. Moving on, gents. Is there anything else engabe ngichile? Because ngiyakwazi ngidliwe i-PSG izolo. Ngishayile itikiti, ngishayile i-screenshot sami setikiti letikiti abedliwe i-PSG. Amajita libonile edliwe imali yabe bemphoselele kulakhe ibhesi. I-PSG imbulile mdala. Ijet yawina half
Uqhubela
time.
amanzi ephula la.
Nakho
Nathi. Mdala
ngiyakwazi.
manje nathi la ukuthi umenza ngimboni behind our scenes. Kade ngifuna ukuthi kube lo menzi to confirm this. Into ngitsho iphula nje isponsor Islander. Izolo bengilo menzi siyangena sibhadalile. Mana ngisho kanjalo sibhadalile sifuna ukubhadala. Then bekulabantu abethenga amanzi kanethi awephula. Bebefika 4. That guy uchinge kakhulu.
Uthini umuntu ebethi?
Uchinge kakhulu that guy uthe ngamanzi ephula abhalwe Highlanders. Sicela ukungena lawo. Ngoba phakathi akulamanzi. Yazi ngiyafisa umenzi kube ohleli la. Yazi ukuthi amapholisa lante khona usisi lo wayala ngaze ngamlanda ngale sisi abhalwe Highlanders. Sicela ukuthi ngicela umngenisi uThomi lo uthenge manje iPhone. Wayala. Then mina ngacela ngwafaka i-tracksuitini. Hayi ukuthi mina nje yathi yini. Ngacela ngwafaka i-tracksuitini ukuthi cha emuva pha. Ngangena lawo. Yabo? Unfortunately sahamba lo menzi ngifuna umbonisa something ukuthi ishop le esicabangelayo ukuthi ilamanzi la ephula ibingalawo. Phandle besiwathenga i5 amanzi ephula. Usho umlalo bethenga i4. Awuchinge kakhulu. Ngiyakucela lapho khona bro wami. Sikuzwile uchinge kakhulu uthe isponsor ngesephula. Uchingile usho umlalo uthe isponsor ngesephula but amanzi ngifuna ukungena lawo ngawe Highlander. I sponsor iphula but liyala amapolice
Iphula yesponsor
right.
Ngoba phakathi wakho.
Yeah, khonapho singasoli kakhulu amapolisa because amapolisa ayisiba abayenza umthetho. Amapolisa they enforce the law. Umthetho amapolisa atshela ukuthi iPSL ama-rules awo ami so. So nxa ungavunyelwa because ungangena lakho lokhu it's regarded as a missile. Nxa ungena uli support ulakho. So ikubona kufunda iphula response ukuthi amelezo nibhoswe ngalelo kuze. Like I said last week idea lesithi kona ngisebenza. Iphula izama ukwenza kube ama-plastic bags. Then khona siyakwanisa ukungena sinamanzi ayaphula ngama-plastic papers. It becomes easy and affordable. And lokho esikukhuluma asitsho ukuthi khona amanzi wasiwafuni ku-PSL. Sisabe lokho sicela isikhalazo sethu ukuthi khona
sivunyelwe.
Akhona athengiswa izolo ku-tuck shop ye-VIP ngiwabonile amanzi ephula. Ebekhona. So I think nje umthetho usuka
Ebe imalini?
ube partial. Ansabuza
Dollar for two,
dollar for two but umthetho lana I think usebenza kuma stands achene because ku VIP uyahamba yethenga ngalo besibili ungenela amanzi akho. So maybe umthetho yabo assume ukuthi VIP ayikwanisa ukujikisa.
But still nxa ungena from the VIP side awungeni lapho nxa ungena ama-gates e-VIP
Nxa ungena
awungeni esilongu usuthenge phakathi because they are so
ungathenga phakathi kushaya
Butho ngicela ukuthi ucacisele ama-viewers anje ukuthi lento iyasihlupha ngicela ukuthi ucacisele khona. Kanti ePF yikho kodwa ukuthi umuntu engathenga amanzi ebelengqondo yeBoko Haram yini. Because the same amanzi esiwathengayo is the same amanzi esiwathenga eAscot, is the same amanzi esiwathenga eSakuva, is the same amanzi but siyavunyelwa ukungena lawo. ePF is this yikho sithi singangena lamanzi ethu sibe le yavo.
Alright ngikuphendule khonapho
Libambe indaba yamanzi. Gents, National Sports Stadium has been awarded to category 3 ye-CAF. Isizadlalelwa amabhora eZimbabwe sesawuyayibukela eHarare.
Yeah, that's good.
National Sports Stadium.
iproblem yami abantu akade sebebonga
Ngizafika ebantwini abantu ababongayo ngizafika. But ngifuna ukuthi into it's a good thing to the country because sibonile okwenzakele amabhora i-national team idlala outside the country i-CAF Champions League ama-team ethu ama-stadiums outside the country ukuthi bekule effect engakanani khathesi is Scotland. I'm hoping iScotland, I think vele is proper iScotland izadlalela national sports
ezadlalela national
le game yayo le nsingizi CAF qualifiers
Zimbabwe.
i-break ibuya mid September iZimbabwe sakuyibukela elokhuzeni this is proper. I understand lapho ufuna uyafika khona but
Ala mfuna uqala ngcono.
ngifuna ukuthi
Lapha
ngiqeda
Umvumela uGanet angcono.
ngifuna ukuthi mbale i-press statement ekhishwe yilokhuzeni i-Minister of Sport Recreation athe the Minister of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture is pleased to announce that the Zimbabwe Football National Sports Stadium has been granted Confederation of African Football CAF Category 3 approval following a recent technical inspection and significant progress on priority works at the stadium. The approval allows the National Sports Stadium, subject to the specific requirements of each competition, to host CAF Champions League and Confederations Cup group stage and quarter-final matches, as well as Africa Cup of Nations, AFCON and FIFA World Cup qualifiers and other competitions applicable to Category 3 stadia. CAF has acknowledged the consideration efforts made by the government of Zimbabwe and the Zimbabwe Football Association in addressing the observations raised during the inspection. This milestone is direct for reflection of the concerted and deliberate efforts by the government of Zimbabwe through Ministry of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture to restore the National Sports Stadium to rightful position as the country's premier footballing venue. The interventions are firmly dovetailed with the aspirations of the National Development Strategy 2, NDS 2, and Vision 2030, particularly the government's commitment in developing modern, functional and sustainable sports infrastructure. This achievement also speaks directly to the vision of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emerson Tambudzo Mnangagwa, of ensuring that international football is played on Zimbabwean soil and that Zimbabweans are able to experience as Zimbabweans are able to experience and participate in major international sporting events at home. The ministry also wishes to place on record its profound appreciation to Sakunda Holdings for its invaluable support towards the upgrading and modernization of the National Sports Stadium through its partnership with government. Sakunda Holdings has played a significant role in the modernization of the pitch and the installation of bucket seats, interventions, and subsequently enhanced the functional aesthetics and overall spectator experience. Gents, this is the letter in the spirit. Yes, telling me ministry, all things being said, in National Sports Stadium, at least at last, up to the quarter-final level, how I wish would I upgrade to the level of which even finals can be played in National Sports, but this is a good development elizweni Margins.
Mina lami ngithabela indaba yokuthi National Sports Stadium isivunyelwe ukudlalela ama-category 3 matches, which is FIFA World Cup qualifiers, AFCON qualifiers, CAF Champions League, CAF Confederations, khona kokhuluma until ama-quarter finals. Into le vele singakakhayela indaba zokuthi kuthiwa ama-teams ayasave imali ngokungadlaleli kwamanye ama-stadium. Kule nto ezenzakalayo nxa kuthiwa for example iZimbabwe izadlala eDRC, iDRC ibuyile lapha, kuyaboost i-economy into eziningi, bazabhukhelwa ama-hotel, kuzaba le-logistics, transport, abantu abathengisa ukudla, tourism, konke khona kuyana, yabona. So into le asiyicelebrate ibhora kuphela, siyicelebrate even the last person ongabenefita from ukuthi kutshoni nxa kuthiwa ama-national games esezadlalelwa on home soil, yabona. Kodwa I read something also on that statement ukuthi i-approve stadium uku-homologate lokana in as much as katheso kuthiwa sharp level 3 akumele stress relax asisesivunyelwe. Next year after 1 year babuya futhi bezokhangela ukuthi ama-standards esachiya laphana lokho eyiwo yini osengcono, bengathola futhi sokukhayela eceleni babhana futhi. so lokho ikukhuthaza futhi also abantu abayiba abayenhle stadium lesana, which is what SRC, Sports Recreation and ukuthi iground leli singabe istadium sokuthi noma ngubani ofuna ukudlalela ahambe uyodlalela. Yabona, like what we saw at some point lapana besithi bayatesta, it was
Scotland.
ukhona wayesetholakala umkhulu wenye yamateam esekhuluma ukuthi vele ndiyakwazi ukuthi NSS ihome yethu. Yabo, it's a national.
I get uGanye's point. Ngiyakuzwa point.
It's a national stadium. Kumele siqhakatheke. In England we have Wembley. We know ukuthi Wembley idlalela semi-finals FA Cup, final FA Cup, idlalela national team. Akuphonga ukuthi any umuntu ofuna ukudlalela anytime.
Any major final.
Major finals.
Yadlalelwe Wembley. Ngiyayithola point.
Yeah, so kuyasinceda because kungaqalisa ukusebenza waya also futhi sizaqalisa futhi ukwenzani
ukufa.
Singafa futhi sesibhana sesibuyele emuva.
So ngezinye indlela uGanye yakutsho ukuthi ayisebenze njengeWembley, udlalelwa ama-final kuphela. Kunga os-Capes labana labo Scotland labo Dynamos bengasebenzisi home ground.
Team ethi it's a home ground.
It's a good point.
I get
It's a
the
good
point.
point.
As far vele Gane uqinisile akudlalele those matches esicabangelayo ukuthi it's a CAF, it's a what kungabe le team ethi ku home. Because asiphathe njengeWembley. Because so far
yabona, it's something which we comes with great joy to us football lovers. Ukuthi kona we can now watch our national team play at home, because not everyone can afford to fly or to go out of the country and go and watch the football. Besihamba nxa sithanda ibhola sihamba up and down, and kubuhlungu ukuthi uhambe team ku home uhambe team away. Every match of the national team, you know that it's an expense to you which needs an extra money. Yet economy ayivumi ukuthi ngibele ngisenza njalo, but ngenxa yothando you find out ukuthi khona iZimbabwe playing ilabantu abalutshwane ngale. But now at home, like we are already planning ukuthi khona ngoSeptember lathi sibe sikhona ngale Harare, bangaka abaplana nokuba khona. So it shows ukuthi khona that is a moral boost to the team, like what my fellow brother here just said, to khona hosting a national team event here or any national event. It brings a lot of things in the country. It creates more jobs. It creates more business opportunities for those who are in tourism and hospitality. It's now the time for them to upgrade their standards. Ukuthi khona ama facilities abo labana bezilungisa ukuthi khona they can accommodate abantu abaningi ababuya ukuzohlala for those 2 days or 3 days bebuzobukela ama teams abo they love so much, and it brings a lot of money into the country. So kuqhakathekile kana kuyajabulisa, but masingathembeleni kuphela nge-National Sports Stadium. There's Rufaro Stadium, there's Papa Fields, there's Luveve. There are many stadiums. Chawanda, each Chawanda just needs some lightning and a few things. Let the government direct its effort. Is it lightning? Lighting system. I'm a flight lights rather.
But it's a problem with Kachana, the airport.
But if you countries indaweni eziningi kunjalo.
Njalo lomgwaqo. Njalo
so no kule there's a way around. Angazi ngixoxa lobani, but there's a way around. Nxa kule nxa istadium ihotel ikhatshana kumbe airport ikhatshana, iproblem ebasekuthini kuba le extra cost ngoba sokumele nxa iteam esuka ehotel yona le airport kuya estadium ibe le extra security. So in this case asesikhuluma ukuthi nxa kuyikuthi airport eseduze le Chawanda eseHarare, sokumele kusuke kuyiconvoy ibhasi lemdadada ezimota as a security from Harare to Kwekwe. There's a way, but
I think you've made your point ukuthi abakhanyele. So message to Minister Sanyato ukuthi up next asilungiseni BF, asilungiseni iRufaro. Ibe like to that level or better.
We are looking forward to hosting ukuzeni iCAF next year. So so by so doing we need to do that ukuthi silungisa ama stadiums amaningi.
Ngibone eseKenya bra.
Kenya serious.
Thina ungakhuluma national sport yabusudlala yaso nganithiwa lo ama toy soldiers.
Kule stadium esasikhulunywa ngumtholi ukuthi bafuna ukusenza ngale map lapha mdeni kwana. abasilungisele world class. Let's have more stadiums.
Kulama stadiums ayenzwayo emavuko ngale number 1 la uyachunwa asikwazi ukuthi abuye what standard.
Sembuya kuwe Kanyethi. Ubusithi kulabantu debethaba as much as wayiphi.
Mina ngizake ngabona iMenu City congratulations FA ukuthi lipendili ilokhu.
Akuyenzi vele ukuthi bethi congrats and it's their duty.
It's their duty 1 2 I mean it's SRC abakwenzileyo
Yikomele bekuyi.
ikomele bekwenza ngokweni it's it's national duty
part of their job.
Akulani lokuthi fine ungambonga umuntu ukuthi siyabonga but kungabi
into yakhe ba
kungabi ukubonga kwakho kungagcina sokusiba ngani it's of significance ukuthi avele kumele abantu bengizwe ukuthi ngikhulumile andabona
hayi bayakuchayela izandla baba
Ngiyabona ukuthi
Yawazi why ungakafiki lapho. Yawazi why izo njalo. Yibo debechika ku comment section iyayilenza because iyayilenza release press statement.
let Dynamos ya release so ama clubs athule yakwazi sokungani kumbe
kungani kulomunye umuntu oyenze into blind
kulo muntu othe bafethu bongani
bafethu ngenzani ngibe ngani ngimkhulu baba mawungubaba womuzi ma usendlini ungavela uthenga isingu ubhadala irent makungaba abantu bethi awubhadala irent right vele izojuthi
but
what's wrong
abantu bakho bakubonga phela
babakubonga
So
but
there's nothing wrong
zwana
with
kulezinye izinto it's your duty
but abasoze behambe bekhuluma
bahambe bekhuluma ukani wena kumbe wenza into ezayo hayi it's your duty Jay as a man
behambe bemagroza
Mana simuzi point
Yabona,
yakuthi.
mina
Because we need to
I've realized ukuthi kona the problem with us especially abantu we believe ukuthi kona criticizing lokusola is the best but sometimes look at for how long have we been suffering without having this stadiums so stadiums sebuyile
so what I fault kabani.
it doesn't matter whose fault it was.
Oh, okay.
Hey Jay kula thina ku podcast kumqinso Jay kula abantu besidla imali usithe bengene endaweni zabo uzazwana wazama ukuprotect abanye abantu nje wazama ukuprotect abanye abantu nje
ngeke ngiqede
hayi listen to me Jay wazama ukuprotect abanye abantu nje wazama ukuprotect abanye abantu yonke into mawuyenza nje kanjalo kufana ukuthi nje ama toll gate nje siyabhadala nje sifuna iline lani dodo just ipaint lani uthi George kanti imali zethu siyazibhadala nje i-toll gate ngokuthi ngilungisa njengomgwaqo nje jeni as lathi nje singabantu mawulungisa i-stadium nje ungafuni kumbe siphame phezulu ukuthi sikubonge sithi ubutho wathi
usiqedile ukukhuluma
Mana sizipoint against we need to move past this. Today we've got so many topics. Let's move it fast.
What I'm saying is ilokuzenini SRC ayizangicela ukubonga angithi ayizangithi mbongeni SRC did their duty, they have announced regardless of whose fault was lokana wena wedwa sokusuka ngokuthi wena njengomuntu ama instincts akho akuthatha ekusenga
as a
patriotic Zimbabwean. So they stood up as patriotic people and said, no, we appreciate the effort you have done. Though that thing, yokubonga, it motivates you ukuthi yenze futhi usiya phambili. So nxa usukuthatha
ipoint kaGanyethi awusayizwanga.
Ipoint
kaGanyethi lapho engizwe khona mina ukuthi why kuyi Dynamos le Islanders kuyizo zonke ezikhipha ama press statement. Abanye ama clubs angana mama
lokana ngiyakuzi understand lokana yiko nje kuya ngomuntu ukuthi kade sikunje so sengakwazi indlinike $5 kungabe lobongayo engcobongo e1 because kuya ngomuntu
that's different but anyway that's a topic of another day
but lingasoli kakhulu le
sikhulumile
that's a topic for another day
wabona sebeqedile ukuyakha istadium sokuthiwa iHarambe Stars eKenya
abapost nje
yathi siyabonga mongameli ngokuthi usiyakhela istadium
babekwazi ukuthi iduty vele
so it's wrong ubonga
akukho wrong but
so walisola manje
awuqhakathekanga
lana waqhatheka akukho wrong phela ubonga lina ukufuna ukuthi lisole kuphela
hayi asedlula ubutho ngalo kwelinye icwele
alright siyabonga
siyabonga alright
lokho sase ukuzifa sibabonile coach Majenzi national team under 23 under 20 under 17 under 15 anzwanga ebafazini coaching setup ichinchiwe Roman Katara nguyoza leader national team yamajita. Then uGotola nguye ozalida ama-Maitorians. Libona njani lokhu zenu? Ucoach bethu laba.
Mina yimi ngizaqala manje khathesi yimi leyo devil's advocate. I mean, I think sorry lapha ngizama uscroll ama lokho zenu ufuna amabala wabo mama thwa ngoGotawa.
Thambani umbe mina nimshaya ngesikhazi.
Gotola. Gotola.
Gotola.
Gotola.
uGotola.
So I think thina as ama-fans ayibhora in Zimbabwe nje sile system yokusola singakaboni, and it's fine ungakhayela i-track record kacoach lo obuyileyo lo I inspire kangaka ayikuniki confidence ngenxa yokukhangela ukuthi in his previous jobs ebesenzani kugcwele kakhulu fitness trainer, his assistant coach only twice, but also asakhangela ukuthi is a UEFA Pro license holder, which means umuntu otrain ukuba ngucoach.
Michael Nies was a UEFA Pro license holder.
Michael Nies wayehluleka. Umuntu amlandelayo wazama ukwenza ongane kuthe uMarinika. Before bona
wenzani uMarinika wena othi ukuthi
noma uMarinika wadlala ama games amalutshwana mdala party kwakukhanya ukuthi yanga
anofuna ukuthi usupport hayi points
yikho ngitsho ukuthi mina uMarinika for mina wadlala ama games amalutshwana but kwakukhanya ukuthi yanga with uMarinika sacha ikhatha team ephezulu kakhulu kulathi kuma FIFA rankings, team eyayiqualify for World Cup sayichaya thina lo Marinika. Mina for mina ngamboni siyanga and
so what's your point Kanye? We've got so many things
asibanike isikhathi abantu laba singakabasoli, but what I want to applaud iZifa lapha ngokuqasha ama coach lawa. Mbonile ukuthi bafuna ukwenza into ele succession plan, ukuthi ungakhayela uassistant coach owe national team, men's national team
Sanchez.
Nguye futhi coach wa under 23, which means bazabe be communicate lo coach nxa kuzaba le under 23 le promoted to national team, ucoach wa under 23 nguye bezitshela ucoach senior team coach ukuthi ano umfana lo okuzukwanisa umsebenza uhle umdlalise so. I've seen this system work from South Africa, Orlando Pirates specifically. Omofokeng babesithi nxa be promoted from TTC bebuya ku senior team, ucoach wabo wama juniors ukhona as an assistant ngapha ku senior team, you know, so into engibachayela ngizanda ukuthi at least so the succession uKayitana ngazi ukuthi bamfakeleni ngale phansi ngale.
Yeah, I think ngingasoli kakhulu nami nje, but the only thing enhlala ngikhuluma nje mina ukuthi we don't believe in ourselves most of the times. We believe that having somebody else from another country is going to give us better results. We have tried that so many times and it failed. Sasilabo Ufapish even though was local, but was
not local, German.
All right, was he went. His team went 13 games unbeaten. Dream team azange qualify anyway, but even though in that sasaqala ukuqualify sokubuya umhlawuri sokubuya Sunday
is the first coach was qualified,
so yiko bonke labo umhlawuri bas qualify sasephambili, so sesiqala ukuqualify sisebenzisa the local based. So that's my point, is if we believe in ourselves, the people who have got the passion and the hunger of the team. We have seen Olokuzenini or Antipas, they did much better. Even Antipas those proper qualifications as Marinika or Linis, but he track record like with the national team compared to these guys is far much better. But lapa angisoli lutho kangaka because angaboni mina ngiyandusa ukuthi ngiqale mbone besenza sengikhonona. A blind person cannot inspect a game hit. So I'm going to give them a benefit of the doubt and give them the chance. Then coming to the girls, I don't have any problem as well by selecting a new coach. The only problem I have is that Premier League yamankazana or league up to division is not visible. So coach Luana uzabona njani ama players akho ningela visibility, ayila media attention match. We only hear ukuthi renters ichanye team 7 year ilani team idlwe 13-0 enye usizwa ama results, but no one is watching those games or no one is taking ama footages so that they can see ama clips like ezokwenza to the main child.
Yes.
So if singakwenza khona then the coach can have somewhere to start from going further. but nxa injalo you be just going blindfolded engela lapha ngaya khona.
Sabona sibili khonokho okukhulumayo ukuthi
What's your take
visibility.
Masudu sidlule?
Mina ngizalandela ubutho like amantombazana just manje sithi lifuna ukuphakamisa amantombazana liwaphakamiseni phela sibone hayi khona sibe sizwa ama results wa7 wathi singawabukeli asikwazi ukuthi kuhamba njani yabo so
Badlalisa esigwagweni.
in terms of amantombazana uzile waphakamise
You are happy a coaching setup.
but
You are happy
nge-coaching
SK
setup
announce izif. You are happy.
I'm so happy.
Alright.
I cannot judge ukuthi kumbe kuzahamba njani. Let us see first ukuthi allow abantu then sibe sesola. But in terms of amantombazana, sicelana be curtain raise, alright. Kanti ba curtain raise lapha sibabone labantu abalandela isoccer. Bebabone kuyabenza labo asithi izolo ngoba bekuyi Renters versus Highlanders. Ku curtain raise Sampara. Kuba ngcono.
So I setup inje so emajitena u head coach Ramon Katala uya assistwa ngu Mark Sanchez uyabe nguye futhi u head coach we under 23 assistwa ngu Wilson Mutegede ku senior team laphana u Ramon Katala omunye assistant wakhe ngu Tekshua Chiragwi. Then uKaitano uzabe kuma under 20 assistant wakhe Max Makanza under 17 kuloTafatswa Mashiri assistant wakhe nguGeorge Mbando under 15 ebenkhala ngayo ikhona Backfield Chivenga we assistwa nguAlexio Sichu nyama agency le kubo mama I setup yethu ibe as follows uStella Gotal we assistwa nguArthur Korejena ku under 20 head coach Rosemary Mgata assistant wakhe nguNason Mchekeda under 17 nguJadson Maphosa uThubelihle Sibanda nguassistant uIrene Mwanza under 15 then uJacob Chavungama ngu-assistant yi-coaching setup esiphiwe nguZifa amajita uyahappy lawo ngani uthi uyahappy
Uqedisa ukuthi ama-appointment a-blind Irene Mwanza u-blind my sister lo wacoach Vic Force Renters bexotshe ucoach last season or last off uGeorge Mbwando for a long time we've been calling ukuthi eqashwe somewhere even kuma PSL. Also mina upload ukufakwa koka Wilson Mtekele although efakwe ngo-assistant lapha afakwe khona that guy is usesebenze wasebenza lapha kade sebenza khona esidano so ngiyabachayela izandla Zifa I hope ukuthi abantu bona laba bazasebenza eFreedom bekhululekile.
So ama-agents happy mina lami I'll reserve my comment
Asikumna reserve ama-comments ami.
Lizakhuluma sidliwe singakadliwa hayi.
but bottom line just know I'm not happy kuphela this is what
They can produce some results but mina kukanti abafuni empower the locals want to because abantu laba sibanika imali eningi but abantu abalapha sifuna ukubanika imali bengasebenzisa abaholisi.
Mina butho I'm not happy totally. I think we need so lama episodes ayi2 omele siwabambe
Esikhuluma sithi afuna episode
afuna ama episodes awo. I think let's do a Thursday episode. We find someone sihlalela ephansi ongani usenior mbijana sixoxeni laye just for these two things nje kuphela laliyane eyakholana owavula ibox la ilokhuzeni iBank ABC Impact Roots Tournament is back. Sibonile is happening this whole week eHarare. Ama juniors they're getting game time. We've said this before. We're happy with that tournament. I'm sure ama selected coaches now umsebenzi ahle eqale from under 15 because we've got under 14 for both boys and girls, under 16 both boys and girls participating eHarare ku tournament le. Some talent iyabonakala khona phana, and what I'm happy about ama provincial I've said this before, ama provincial teams alabo coaches that were looking up to embona ngani mina ngesingami ngabanye ngabe bathole imisebenzi le kuma-juniors setup special I think uMachiso uze wakhala wathi kanti kobulawa yasila ama-coach yini because wonke ucoach lawa kithi ungathola ukuthi nguthubelihle
Irene.
lo Irene yibo ama-coaches at that side but wonke that's why I said I'm not happy but as long as these guys bezaqalisa ukuyenza bebika ama-national teams proper with merit ngizaqalisa ukukhuluma but i-tournament i-grassroots impact soccer is happening I'm sure guys start doing a job go down to i-grassroots lebona gents unqobile Magwizi simzwile I'm not sure ukuthi lithini nge-statement sakhe asikhulumileyo ngongaparticipate kwe-under 20 because we spoke about this under 20 ungaparticipate ku-COSAFA it means asaparticipate ku-AFCON it means we've also lost out the chance to go into the World Cup as under 20 i-statement sakhe are you happy nge-statement sakhe as upresident weZIFA ebuza ukuthi kanti why singaparticipatanga esithi i-strategy kule strategy esinjalo
I think ukhethe a safer way, but it's a safer way. I think it was only safe for one image yabo. Ukuthi engcono umuntu ayesevele wakhalculate ukuthi with because ngabe bahambile vele ngabe kade sikhuluma ngokuthi abafana bahamba vele prepared abazange bakempa abazange nani so I think yena ukhethe ukuprotect image but akwazi ukuthi abafana ibhora balidlala because balithanda ngabe ngafika ngale bese bengafika fine sibe bengayihle ukuwina but like we said kuma previous episodes bengafika kube lo munye oshayinayo egcine sithengiwe khona phana wathole opportunity yabo
understand uthi bazangena kwenye i-tournament ebuyayo imagine as an administrator it's easy for you to say that but this boy is only under 20 now kasoze phinde be under 20
yabona inkinga nje yabona ifoni le umuntu ifoni le i-not 20 next year block i-not 20 next of next year not 20 yabona manje mehlo uMasudu ule 17 years next year ule 18 years next year ule 19 years kahlale stagnant so kulomuntu ole 20 years this year obeza thola ichance ukuyashayina ethengwe ngale akasathengwa next year akasayithola ichance la so akula strategy esinjalo you rather go and fail
okay to protect
while you are trying
we understand
that's what I always tell you ukuthi kona I would rather fail and trying than ukuthi ngehluleke ngenzanga lutho I rather fail and being made a laughing stock akula ndaba but uzamile
namhla upronounce isikhiwa sakho a laughing stock
a laughing stock wena indlebe zakho zibuthundu namuhla indlebe zakho zibuthundu wena zibuthundu indlebe
kwaste awale ngimengezwa shap
awuze ukucorrect wona awuze ukucorrect
aweselukisela we but anyway Thabo Senongfanele got his work permit
but after a long time which is not good for
exactly
football
bemfuna ukuthi sibuze ukuthi izinto lezi buthiwa
mina mbona ukuwomiselana like kuwayinendazi bekube labo ngoba no coach laba belungu laba
oBrito
mabebuya mayokupermit abe rise just because ngumlungu so ngusenongo so ngani supportation
ungakhuluma into zakudala umlungu lo eDynamos I don't think yakhe ithethe 1 week
ithetha 1 week ngoba so ngumlungu I know guys like
yiko phela hlasi ukuthi kona endlela ngokuthi uthi kona we act as if we are racist ukuthi kona siyakhanyela ukuthi umuntu lo ngumhlobo bani then abanye sibayenzele kuhle ama favors abanye singabayenzeli kahle ama favors which is bad the rules the setup of the law ayihambe ngendlela eyifaze ihambe ngayo nxa ungathwa ilokuzeni 2 months 2 weeks 2 weeks 1 day ipassport ungambe yethatha kadesi akula ukuthi umuntu omnyama akula ukuthi umuntu onjani nxa uthethele yani 1 week after a week yabona message yabo ayila ukuthi ungubani so what's the difference about the work permit is that those are the same offices that do the same thing
understand
so I think konakana kuyaphambanisa because that credibility like I said last time uthi kona iZimbabwe uthokona is a friend to everyone and enemy to none and it's a conducive environment for business it's open for business to everyone else so how can it be open for business while you are delaying to make things happen
and ukhuluma so one kubuthutsha issue yebulawa Chiefs engqondweni yami i-disciplinary action yabo decision iphume fast
it was very swift
very
swift
kodwa ungathiwa compare lamanye ama-incident ayenza asifananayo uzathola i-difference. So into zethu aziyenziwa zibe consistent.
Yeah.
And khonapho uzibone at the same time nothing was said about the ref in question.
Referee in question.
Whether he was right or not, we as the stakeholders, we need to know the decision. Ukuthi
But
ref was right.
sakhuluma ngayo decision lana sayibona, that's not a fair decision, gents. Let's be honest. There's penalty there.
Liana, it's not,
But
it
does
was not a
give,
penalty.
and it does not give right to Bulawayo Chiefs players to protest.
I don't support what Bulawayo Chiefs players
Exactly.
and the technical staff did. It was 100% wrong. It was anti-sportsmanship. The sportsmanship wabefuze beyenza befuze bebhale phansi incwadi beloji complaint yabo. But lokhana okwenziwa umqeqeshi kuthiwa no uref rather.
Nothing is being said about
Nothing is being said about that.
So
And it's
Bulawayo
like
Chiefs
so
got-
kuyazibulala ibhora.
Bulawayo Chiefs was fined
2,000 ama players 500.
Agent Sao, I think it's 500.
No,
Lo
Melikhaya 500.
Melikhaya 500 for protest yabo yena leyana.
balaleli
Which-
report ka ref i-report team abalaleli.
Exactly. Of which PSL be sharp in doing that, but the ref also must be punished, gents. Eqinisweni.
They're tarnishing the image of the game.
You understand?
Like
Ngoba
uthi eqiniswa nje sesiyasaba sesibona ngane eZimbabwe akusela bhora ibhora seliyimali. Cause like what happened to Bulawayo Chiefs, it was obvious ukuthi urefu la upondile. Manje mana ngise ngiyeqi, it's like igame eSimba Bora versus Scotland idlale this weekend, huh? That was not a pain. Yabona kuba kubi thina esibukelayo ukuthi kanti manje sebesibonisana kubulawayo Chiefs sebe si-acceptile sathi hayi maybe ama-team ale mali nanku ku-Scotland.
Yabona the funny thing about the game is complaining prior to that game Umapeza was complaining about officiating.
Ref,
Why you complain about everyone else was saying the ref was on spot because the decisions that did not go on his side, equally complaining. Now the ref who says the paid decision is not complaining because that decision was in favor of him. You are not saying anything. Why is he not saying that but that was not a penalty?
it's fully consistent. But the issue of my referees is a big, very big problem. I would like to commend Masutu, the Masapoti Island. I've seen 2 decisions going
Against the Islanders.
And Masapoti Islanders, a penalty chicken in that air pure chicken in.
It was controversial. It was ugly.
That's never a penalty in any day. Masapoti Islanders are tool against chicken in also. Offside decision air pure Nigeria. It was never offside. Amasapoti Islanders are tool. I'm commending Amasapoti Islanders, but or referee akulanto abayenza madoda or referee izifa must look into this. We have spoken about this from day one.
Yeah.
Umuntu lona yamsuspenda 6 weeks aphenduke aphinde
Same thing.
aphinde.
Yabona the problem into sinanzelelani ukuthi most of the referees ababe suspendiwe kudala they are now doing good. Ababengasuspendiwanga labana yebe sebeqalisa except a few labo like the Qedisani guy olokhu continue. He's not even improving. That's where the problem is now.
But butho sabala amalokhu lapha uthi
A code of conduct.
Ungenzakala lokhu this must happen. Ungenzakala lokhu this must happen. Esikutsho ukuthi there's no continuity.
But yeah, I understand that.
You understand? So benga enforcer ukhuluma amapholisa uqazela amapholisa they are there to enforce. Labo benga enforcer check imithetho ukuthi no Qedisani we've done this saku suspend 6 weeks. Wayenza lokhu suyi serial lokhuza. Offend suyi serial offender. Hlala phela. Kuyayenza ku-improve labana abanye ref but kungayela ukwenziwa nje ref they continue making despite amakhosi la abayenza because bayenza ama-refresher course beyenzeni but they continue making
yabona ama-mistakes engwa-expecta kubo ref like imistake enale offside yokhuluma i-Landers le-chicken indian that I expect from the ref because ngamehlo enyama inzima and so it's hard ukuthi you just say i-decision engiyenzileyo is correct because I just do but amanye wonke lana njengalani eChawanda lana hayi mina eChawanda ngisubuhlungu lana ipenalty le lana yangaso penalty le
Bulawayo Chiefs
yangaso penalty
even eSimba Bora
eSimba Bora isandla sakho nasikhanti sithinti because ngathi isandla ibhora lacha isandla lele yachinja direction but ibhora lichinja direction and you point at the spot It's not fair.
Akuyezi. Ibhora lidlaliwe gents. Ibhora lidlaliwe over the weekend iKhahleleka Premier Soccer League. Lalifakile imboneno lafaka ama predictions zenu. The results are as follows. Imoz idlalele ZPC Kariba. Imoz won 4-1. Abantu abaningi Masudu wayithe Imoz yawina. Lobutho said the same thing. FC Platinum uThabo Senongo sikhulume ngaye lo renew litsolanyana bebehleze ebhenchini first game bahle badla iAgama 1-0. FC Platinum is back kulokhuzeni winner. Then Simba Bora igame okuqeda ukukhuluma Simba Bora le Scotland they played on Saturday. Scotland defeating Simba Bora 2-1. Then FC Hunters played against Iadrock by the same scoreline. Iadrock defeated the Hunters 2-1. Bulawayo Chiefs played against the Cape United Luveve Stadium. They played to a goalless draw. Italy one Joel Upahla played against the Triangle Genesis Mangobe. Genesis wadla uJoe 2-0. Nxa ukhangele ama results lawa iwapha ku surprise leyo wapha uchazile lawa ange weekend Khahleleka Premier Soccer League. Any surprises?
Ekajo. Joe ziyamumela like. Ujoe kubi sibili la kusuka ngale. Ukuthi uJoe lapha na iproblem yakhe kanje. Sheki bafethu kula lapho ubona khona ukuthi loba ngaze mfaka imali umuntu ngimuse United States esibhedlela esiblind lo bathwa usegula onganani umuntu lo uzehamba lo. Lo akazimnika umuntu lo uyahamba lo. uJoe lapha hayi umuntu lo bade ku ICU hayi uJoe lapha hayi angeke imsole kangaka Italy one vele iyahamba.
Ngizapho ukufaka nje ukuthi sihlale sikwazi iqiniso. Ithe one vele uJoe ayizange amlethela ukuthi ebasave relegation. Walethela ukuthi team sihambile. Njengomuntu akwa promoter before.
Nguye promoter
ngena uPSL. Uyozoqala ukulungiselela kaThesi.
Before it's too late.
Ihambe esihlahleni nosele team yakho. Phansi kwesihlahla ku Division 1. Usele team yakho ubuye uspine ka1 uphenduke ku PSL futhi. Kathesi is no longer about ukuthi ku survive relegation, but even though even singasakhayelela ukuthi be survive yakukhayelela ukuthi team akukhanyi or at least ukuthi ayibaza
wena any result surprise leyo
4-1
Imoz
lezethu Imoz isizini iqala vele bingakhanyi njenge team engadlala ichama team kangaka, so angazi ukuthi Imoz esivukile mbi ZPC iya ku decline.
Yeah, because ZPC Kariba bengibukela ama games amaningi and ibinga consider lula kangaka. But to make it worse, it went on and become 4. And ilokuzeni i2-1 le lokuzeni eSimba Bora. Ngithe ngikhangele nje lapha ngibona sokuyi 1-1, I thought ukuthi iSimba Bora like I had predicted that they can win or draw this game. But eventually Musona brilliance on the free kick made something a difference at the end of the day.
Mina ngisidliza khuluma ngomagalane gents versus his former team iCapes ngendlela axoxwe ngayo lendlela ama fans they were hostile against it's very difficult to perform under such circumstances. Ubonile nje.
Yes, ubona sikubonile, but mina kimi it was not a surprise because I said it's going to be a draw lapha la Nhleka last time. So bengikwazi vele kuza draw because like we wanted to prove a point. And labana they want to prove a point against him. So when you're playing against scratch, you don't report results.
Sathi sambe Boreno wayala. Idouble save yachwa ngomagalane
First half, yeah.
It proved to me ukuthi that guy is a good goalkeeper. Angazi ukuthi
ama mistakes ayenzakala
ukuthi kwayenzakalana beze bemxotshe, but he proved to me ukuthi he is a very good goalkeeper.
Ama mistakes ayenzakala empilweni. You can do constant mistake lapho now and again. Kade sanjoni la lokwenza mistake kuthi awuzwa kuhle nxa pronounce isikhiwo. Kodwa kuthi awuzwe endlebeni yawo.
Ukuthi abana it was a
mistake. Mana
mina nami ngizile but ulightning lebala likhulume Mpuma lapha
Mlomo.
Uthe love uthe
Lume Slow.
wrong.
ngizwile hayi ngizwile
Right.
ngizwile lamuhla ngathi how my chick now
usubonile ukuthi khona unile problem yabo mistakes ewenza
Uphethe uvumelana lapho.
no mistakes ewenza lapha but ayisikudaliswa
Uwe nje.
wrong siyi-2
ngathi umagalani team yonke yaba wrong one
Hayi, uyabona uMagalane singeza ke sithi why wrong. Uyabona like ungathi ulomfazi yethu kabe kulo side chick lapha ukwazi ukuthi iza replace ngobani yabo. Obvious vele umfazi wakuzambamba mistake
Amafutha,
fast.
now in the game.
Ilo baba ngala mistake.
Now in the game.
Lapha bebekwazi vele sokulo
usay chicks ekhona
usay chick sekhona.
so sidingela amacala
Wayesedingelwa amacala sekhandelo wathi
Even uArupe good checking. Ipoint engayikhuluma kanye siseluve video la. Arupe semdala. Wabona ukuthi waphonguwa yedwa idolo ama injury. Icaps bawumele bekunanzelele khona lokho. Even though bembisa bencese bele department ukuthi uArupe may retire uzaba goalkeepers coach but long term plan for
abantu
Magalani future.
abantu njengabo Arupe nxa umleta eteamini at this stage kade mele bemlethe ezoba ngumuntu nje othi andiyabona kathesi lathi sesifana nama league sesilama cup amaningi uArupe ke dlale kuchibuku
You understand?
Kumuntu umtapa nxa ithi bikhona kuligi kudlala umfana
uMagalani kumele bemgcine uMagalani because that boy is a good goalkeeper.
uArupe dlala kukhalela ukuthi no isizini iphela ngapha sasim integrate nje iDynamos uTunari bam integrate la ku technical team ebengu goalkeepers coach kube njalo nje eqalisa ukulungiselela life after
Exactly.
that's true
Then Sunday 27 we saw iManica Diamonds idliwa ingezi 2-0. Highlanders defeating Rangers 2-0 also same scoreline. Then result enza limemeza lenza ukuthi Chai Smile iDynamos finally lost a match to iChicken Inn.
ucoach ukhalile ekhiwa baba Nyembezi
Goal
wazikhala Nyembezi baba uthula nenze okunye angazi ukwenzakala
of the season, gents.
wayishaya isesenti umfana wakhangela kawana ubudala lapha
Goal of the season. What a
phela nane befuze beyi 2-0 because uhlohla ukhipha wahlohla leli gobhora kawana nguphi omunye eZimbabwe kahlohla abantu ihlohla into ezingu2
ubekhala lasike udira
Itara
fana thumbs up andijala thumbs up for Thulani lapha na uchayile yiko okubonisa khona ukuthi is a star is a player because uthayimele wabona ukuthi ngoba into leyana ngayigcina angazi yayichawa ngubani oyiLiverpool
nguruni baba
hayi wayichayi Fulham yona lana ukuthayimela lokho yabona a player vele lihlala
ngayibona kuRuni
uruni wayengangapha kwecenter manje wahlohla konke lo keeper
contender goal of the season. What a beautiful goal.
but ungayibukela yonke
ukuthi eZimbabwe asila goal of the season
iDynamos ibizama kwehlulile it was not
iDynamos lokho waba umlungu iyaza idliwe madoda.
hayi vele izoli izamile kwehlulile ibizama iDynamos kwalile but umfalwana yena uchayile khona
iyadliwa iwanke phela ikwini ongadliwa inkukhu
Ikhapini into ku league.
ikwini ongadliwa inkukhu
Mina into ku league.
hayi ngithi iDynamos idlalile but kwalile izoli udlala ama
I
chances
saw something ku Chicken Inn. I think it's past 2 or 3 games. Ama assistant coaches were more vocal. So post match undira bambuzira ukuthi how far
Because umcheckeli izolo ngani nguyome kakhulu.
wasesithi yena lapha kumchayela izandla uthena sometimes being a leader akusho ukuthi kube nguwe chonu uphambili lapha
Which is beautiful to see.
uyavula ilight lishine on other people uthi assistant coach okade ku touchline izolo usanda kuqeda iCAF A yakhe so beku only fair ukuthi simcelebrate njalo ukuthi congratulations namhla nguwe ozama laphana obujikela ama instructions abafana
Mina ngithanda uupload iChicken Inn. I've always said iChicken Inn ayixotsha sike sakhuluma spraise even emozi. Umtasa people were calling for his head. At times i-team ngaba le system le structure libe kwazi lifunani ama-results liyabona nje ekugcineni, even though this season i-chicken ibikhayile maybe Ncundera uzabe uyithatha, even ama-bad results ebuya because for some time kuyahamba 6-7 games no win, but they've been patient even into zizimo. Like now we are saying uthi umchekela umnikile wama last week bembona even ukufokoza is a young coach coming up, uyamnika sukuma lawo mira yabona utshengisela i-system ye-chicken which is beautiful to see. Even e-Islander uMorwari
yebehlale phandle ngaMarwari these days.
Bengezwa sharp ubona even ama-assistant coach awukhokheli. These are young coaches, ama-coaches for the future.
And the other thing you have to understand, most of the times when nxa ungcoach ungahlakanipha ube le good relationship with ama-assistants coach yakho, and there is less sabotage.
Yeah.
So khona khana akwenza ukuthi give them time, it helps you ukuthi khona ube le good relationship with them. And nxa ungayenza njalo there is no sabotage yakwenzakala. That's the same thing futhi anti basayithanda ukuyenza kumatori, wayehlala phansi umatori ekhule ecoach. So ikona everywhere wayehamba khona engachanda umatori because they had created a good bond. So if you create a good bond khona kufuna ukwenza futhi ngobhenjela womkhokheli, as a team we have to accept that we fail together as a team, we win together as a team. So and everything rises and falls from the leader. So when uba umkhokheli doesn't mean you know it all. You've got people who can help you so that we can navigate the way and you do it right. I won't share this and like child that this is cure for.
Umfake isitaya esiphobo.
Always was child. Ubona injalo ke imtime. Lightning ngaphuma yapho. But anyway, look is existed. Scotland still is the look 57 point followed by to 54 points. Beautiful to see these teams going at each other toe to toe. Against the league bemnandi.
And kutshengisa something khona pana, when you invest in the team you are prone to get results. So ama teams they encourage you to khona invest in. And when most of the time it's sesijayele vele ukuthi i-team nxa vela ku D1 iyabe striker for survival. But now the teams are coming from Division 1 2 times in a row. They are fighting for championship.
Yes.
Because the owners or the executive have invested in the teams.
Ezindala
Zifuna uku-investa kuma teams because zifuna ukudla ngamabizo. Ngamabala ukuthi inhlatho leyana, but inhlatho siluphela isakwanisa. So let's try by all means ukuthi kona ama executives ethu invest more to the teams, invest more to their technical department, and we are going to get results. And by so doing get to city ibhola le Zimbabwe.
Prince Dube, what a signing.
When na?
What a signing.
3 times man of the match.
What a signing. But you
Signing of the season for value addition.
Exactly. Wakhona uphonga usayini uthi umuntu
mid season yasophomba ukusayina washo njalo uGanet. Mid season yasophomba ukuthi usayine nje. It's for value addition to aid lapho ubona kwento lapho ekhontratwa ngiyabuild. Mid season awubuild. You aid the value.
Yabona Prince i combination yasenze khela una voucher sesihlohla njani. Top goal scorer 15 goals ba.
Because Prince Dube can either pass you or can score.
You understand?
Assist your assist.
And they go great. Yeah, I play there.
So I wish this league goes to the wire. Scotland yadro kubela. They must go to the wire. Last game.
Mina I pray for uKhayindu la ekethatha dala wagcina. Wathatha
vekhe. Wathi dala waqhikaza kathatha.
Uhlala ekhutha twos. Number 2. Ubhuso lapha nehamba nibhithini wachayela intanjeni.
Hey, you understand?
Mina ngibona kule team ebuyayo le ethicha abafana besikole leseni. Angitsho abafana besikole sebathicha ama lesson.
Wakhuma number 7 sikhuma i-top 2.
Hayi ama points. Number 7 uyakhawula.
Iyelendu number 7.
But ama points.
Ama points iyelendu.
Isiyeke ngani?
Iyelendu 41 points.
Ile ngani?
Iyelendu 40 iphi?
Ephezulu.
Ile 57.
So kushene ngani?
Mdala
57
on 27 games. Siselele 7 games to go. And which is there's 21 points to play for. And so nje when Scotland
16 points.
Scotland ya draw kuzingathi.
But anyway, thanks for Highlanders for teaching. For teaching about our school ama lessons.
Wawona ufuka usqueeze open iHighlanders.
Onqalelo masudu namvele bezomfuna ukuthi iHighlanders ngaqhubeka form le 3-4 games. Tight to charge baba.
Tight to charge baba.
Washo njalo last time lapha besose bekhala.
There was a problem yabo Masudu. The magnitude of Highlanders fans ibanga. I-team ngawina kuhle 1-2 games. Selihleli khayile lapha ingadliwa uzezo. any bad result eduze khona uzizwe nguwe futhi
Yes,
uyabuzuthi
we got 2 viewers.
Team yayilanders edlale second half izolani. Yiyo kumele kuhlobe team yayilanders season iyophela.
Izolo. Yeah, but thumbs up to yona i-technicality khona izolo.
besafuna ukukhuluma ngelokhu sethi
Jeka
selikhuluma yena
I like ikhuluma ama coaches like i-Islanders ingeke enke i-Islanders ngeke enke ngabo 2 anchor double anchorman izolo yabona bengela da mfethu i-Islanders idlalile.
Alright Masudi.
Jay,
Sizamambuya sizavalelisa ngawe ibhozo.
kule comment efaywe ngufanele Nkomo
Eh.
ungayecheka kade ku YouTube
Eh.
siyabonga msafanele Nkomo for engagers uthe ngavele mbona uMasudi ukuthi inhleke lo ndoda iyayilendisa enhlizweni kanti uyayisqueeza lapho ngamela sisakhuluma ngelokhu
Kuya top 2.
top 2 sesithi Island come on guys ngiyawina i-Rangers so as I was saying number 3 Ingezi played well this season 47 points is I think for Giman ngendlela embona yilokhu abasekho ku race Ingezi ayisekho ku race ilokhuzeni
Yeah.
you number 3 then followed by Dynamos 46 points number 4 then the bottom 4 triangle 18 points Manica 19 points Tel 1 20 points Agama 22 points this is the bottom 4 kuyafiwa la and I think it's not yet over now.
It's not yet over, yeah.
It's not yet over. Ngendlela i-triangle ebuya ngayo isivalile igap isi the 18. Next game ingawina isi the 21.
Ithe one
Sokusiya
le
ukuthi i-ZPC Kariba le Hunters zingavele ziyilahle. Ama game la abuya they might find themselves ku relegation. Because asukwazi kuyayenzakala. You cannot tell the future.
No, we cannot.
But nge form i-triangle engani ibuya ngayo.
Singaseva.
If
But manje
Lo draw ingabasiza
ifixe i-triangle ekona inzima ilabo Scotland ilabo Dynamos ayinzima.
Genesis, you know what is capable.
Genesis can beat.
He did it last time. And it tell one layo ile 20. And ama team abakhangele ama team are in danger. Angazinanzela ukuthi are in danger. We've got the Hunters ile 27 points, is at PC Carib ile 28 points. Ibulawayo Chiefs ile 31. And we've got 21 points to play for. 7 games to go chance. That's about it in Katlaga Premier. This weekend, I see the Katlaga Premier Soccer League. It's
Zifa
it's
Munumtapa.
Zifa Munumutapa Cup. Ila 16. Our teams i-draw sibonile yenziwe i-draw emunumutapa ebambi iviki ebuyayo. Let me get the fixtures. Sesivala sihle sivale ngelokhuzeni. Wona yeke ungenise i-Island lapha engangeni khona. Sikhuluma nge-top 2 so far i-Island.
Yabulala la nje team of Lakers.
Ingakazi hlohla ukipa. Hlohla ukipa lebhora wena.
So this weekend is Zifa Munumutapa Cup. Imunumutapa Cup idlalwa we said it ngama juniors but we just look at kule futsal futhi but we just look at lapha esikhona omama la madoda. Let's start with ama fixtures abo mama.
Ngizama khona. Ngizama ukuchecka khona apha
So Las Palmas has been drawn against the Rangers under 19. Adro Queens they will play against the Black Mambas. Scotland Queens they will play against the Rangers Queens. Lapha kuyafiwa la. Ifixture then iKwekwe Queens they will play against the Harare City Queens. Maningi FC will play Faith Drive Academy. Chekutu Community Queens will play against the Black Rhinos Queens. FC Platinum the Royals will play against Correctional Queens. Another fixture kuyafiwa la. Chapungu Queens will play against the Mpopoma SA. Kuyafiwa ama fixtures lawo. I think ebafazini I saw 3 fixtures according to me ingazi thina gents.
Yeah, Scotland la Rangers.
Lokhuzeni Scotland Queens ye-Rangers and i-Rangers isanda ukuphuma ku CAF.
Cup, yeah.
Iyamhlikhanyele ifixture le nge-weekend kuyafiwa. Then emajideni men's round of 16 Ingezi Platinum Stars will play against the Rangers Football Club. FC Platinum plays against the Hard Rock. Chile FC plays against the Bulawayo Chiefs. Jordan FC plays against the Hard Rock. FC Hunters plays against the Wange. Triangle plays against the Blanket Mine. Cape United will take on the Manica Damo. Then Scotland FC will play against the Moors under 19. That's the Zifa Munumutapa Cup draw this weekend, gents. Emachiteni ngapha iphi fixture oyibonani. We spoke something Ganeti Sky Retro because basically sonke nge-Tuesday. I'm a draw is their way because we've had this before. Amabhora uthiwa akhudunyezwe amanye chise
manipulation.
manipulation ye-draw because ngithe draw le
More Scotland. More Scotland ama 19.
You cannot expect Amanda 19 most at Scotland, bro. But what I'm trying to say, what the point that I'm trying to put across is, look at this test guys. Amabhora my lower division teams akhudunyezwe. This is me and Garnet speaking. According to it, Rolly, because the only fixtures, Ingez Platinum Stars, the rentals, the Premier League fixture, the AFC Platinum, AFC Platinum foot plays against the Black Rock, Division 1. So we have one the Division 1 teams have been pitted against a Premier League team. It's not a team.
Yeah? Yiko ngucho tikakhulile emozi lokuze nini. Ingani bikhudunyezwe. Wona lokhuluma uthi kudla. Nalikhulumela ukudla mina ngikhulumela ukhudumazweni.
But uyabona
Ukukhudumeza
si right yini kumbe
ukumanipulate siyakubona but I think 14 kusese early.
Awuse early ukhudumeza but yawinile ukuze ni 19
kusese early mina I think akathesi nje bro iyenzakala nje ngoba amabhora adojiwe sibili.
Mina mana i-conspiracy theory yami ngipasisa wayenzile amabhora akhudumezwe. Yabona okwenzakala ku Dynamos le Highlanders going forward if fixture ama smaller teams continue yaphambili iyaluzisa isisindo especially nxa ama team traction so ungathatha vele satha ama small teams siwanike ama team expect ukuthi engawadla sesiya kuma quarter finals semi finals sokuchaza
ama small teams wona
phela ibhola lebekwazala John Cena
we know but ngama expectations ngendlela esebesikhayelele ngayo butho yikho ngithe kule element of ongani ukukhuthu ngoba zonke
awuswele kuwani kuyadlula
draw being fair anti le ayisidwa ngabele draw le the draw being fair nje I probability even ezincane bemele zihlangane zodwa ezinkulu zihlangane zodwa kahle because the only fixture ingezi Platinum le rentals le Caps le Manicas kuphela as a Premier League team the rest of the teams at D1 Chelsea kela iJordan Hard Rock Bulawayo Chiefs Chile Platinum Black Rock Triangle Blanket 9
ekuphekele bebengeke bephekele iChiefs for any reason nxa uthiwa kade kuphekwa
lokho akuphekwanga lo asikuboneni
asizweni ku comment section if you are watching this episode for the first time
bebengeke bephekele Bulawayo Chiefs
sokhuluma le 2-4
all right
if you're watching this episode for the first time, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to subscribe. Loku ikehlala ukukhuthaza. Kana wona channel for the first time, remember to subscribe. Right guys, wona ngo channel indima eziningi. Remember to subscribe, please guys. Subscribe to this channel and be part of the family. School is one. We want to grow this channel for the benefit of the football lovers and good Tape 3 TV, you know, there's a lot of things but if you're watching a pass and move for the first time, please remember to subscribe, like and share. Tell others to tell others about the channel. We grow this platform. Gents, emachitendite EP fixture we put my team local because it's happening it's happening this weekend.
Ngambone wangikhipha iHunters
mina ku Scotland lapha ingabhayiza nti ihamba kuma penalties yawina kuma penalty Scotland
Manda 19 awu emos so you fixture mina the fixture that I'm looking forward to see was FC Platinum versus Black Rock. I will tell you why next week.
Ukuthi iBlack Rock ayingakhukhumali njengeflower ngoba yadla Highlanders no
but
Highlanders lapha vele ibivele bengafuna bafana laba
okungafundisa
Hayi eIslanders bingayiziwe ngono name.
Awukuziduduza into
Nabantu
nje.
abasele egangeni.
Uyakwazi ukuthi okuvusa ama-teams e-Southern Region kuyini, James? Ama-team e-Southern Region badlala ibhora ngoba bafuna ukudlala ibhora. Ngale e-Southern Region akula mali mdala, akula muntu ofone ethi faka umfana wami ngizakunika i-500. Ngale vele abafana badojwa ngetalent and bayalichova. Ibhora vele liyadlalwa ku-Southern Region. Ungakhaya even bobulawa Chiefs bonke ayi-United laba. Of course sebengikhona beqale kade izinto zokufuna ukurecycle labo, but vele ngama-teams esuka sangena ku-community ethatha abafana vele bechova ibhora nje bebafake etimini. Afana nxa bechova balichova okwamaqina, abalichoveli imali. I-Southern Region ungayedele liyabhula, songamangali ilokuzeni. Mina ikho lami inhle ngaba confident. Ayiplatinum into kathesi asukwazi usenonga into ayiphekayo kuyini, ufike wawina first game. Asikwazi sakuphekela iBlack Rock, but ukuthi yachaya Islanders enxata Islanders ayengafuna asoqiniso. Black Rock ayichova.
In closing, Kanyethi, last words.
Besivumelane lo Masudu uthi last words sakhuluma ukuthi iboss engaqhubeka isenza so tied to charge.
So libambene the right. That same story, but last words.
Goal of the season. Libonile. The best podcast in the world. Libugele. Keep on subscribing, keep on commenting, and keep on sharing your ideas, your thoughts. Wherever we need to correct us, we are free to correction. We always accept positive criticism. We love you and cheers, always and forever.
Varan, I'm reading an interesting article from Coach one ama special moment. Ngavele ngibali heading le uzezwe uthi mbani. I've always wondered about poor officiating in Zimbabwe.
Deyo. Alolo ngasabi be. Bavele bebathi di-ref.
Na uthi jo uzidlalele Kenya ufuna uthi adlala kukhuluma poor officiating in Zimbabwe. But lapha ngihamba la.
Uqinisa.
Lapha ngihamba la. Hayi.
I-poor officiating izasikhosta kakhulu. Ngoba lamanye ama-team azawina ecabanga ukuthi angamabhawo kade ama-ref.
Mina, to me, those are my parting words. Please, Zifa, PSL, look into officiating. Officiating it is poor. People are seeing it. People are commenting. Rodrigo Mtuma Kala, I want to watch you. Mapeza has been crying. We, as the stakeholders of the beautiful game, we've been crying the whole of this season about poor officiating. We need an improved officiating from all the officials. Please, officials, if you are watching, improve the standard of officiating. Because ibhora lethu siyalithanda sifuna libe phala amabhora amaningi applying. On that note, Masudu la uthi uvumelana lo guy uyathi ngithi ithuba last week.
Mina kulapha ngiyasha khona ukuthi sibone onye kuyigoli izolo lokhana okuchaya ngulokuzeni so
Bonene.
umuntu korila siyale sibili but hayi singathi goal of the season hayi kule goal yachawe eChawanda lamanje eChawanda mina mbona ukuzaba le goal enjalo lamanje eZimbabwe
Eka reason.
hayi ka reason singakhuluma goal of the season
So ye-chicken nazo
hayi vela kubalwa ka reason awubalwa vele khathana lokhala kubalwa kubalwa goal ka reason.
On that note, please make sure you watch. You find the clip ka reason. Le ka Turan Joseph, le ka Turan Joseph, and you comment in the comment section. Usitshela ukuthi in comparison which one oyibona ngani ngcono. Nxa uvumela lo Masudu usitshele, nxa uvumela lo Masudu usitshele. But on that note, guys, we love you. We love you so much. Continue supporting the channel. Continue supporting the Pass and Move. Yes, issue yama replica kanjani yama merchandise. I'm trying to sort out kulokunye okwenzakala behind the scenes. Mfuna ukuthi ngitshela to viewers. We're trying to sort out merchandise Pass and Move. Nxa kukhona okwenzakala, you can place your order. Uthi usifake ipressure. Sifuna ukuyenza ama caps, ama t-shirts, for starters ungakwanisa ukuthi uplace i-order kukhona okwenzakalayo nxa uyithanda iphase ama episodes abuya mbonani i-merchandise yethu
Yes, of
iyabe
course.
sishap. But on that note, see you next time guys, we love you so much, ciao.